Before I begin this video, I'd like to tell you guys that you are beautiful in whatever body shape you have. Stay in your body, be confident in it so that it shakes the world, because people have this narrative in their heads that when you wear bikinis or show off your skin because you're confident, they have this narrative in their head that you do not have morals. There are people who dress up from head to toe and do not have morals. So nobody, literally nobody should tell you anything about morals. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I am going to be doing a bikini haul. This is sent to me from AA Swimwear and they are on Instagram. I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description box so that you guys can go and check them out and purchase yourself some of these beautiful bikinis. I have not opened this package because I am so excited. I just want the reactions with you guys, and I'm doing this. I am going to be opening this, you guys. They come in 6 colors and I'm going to be trying out each and every color, and we are going to see how it looks like on me, okay? And you guys should go and purchase it. I'm so excited already. All these items came in a small size and I'm a small size. Let us begin with the first one. So the first one, we're going to start with the yellow one. Oh, okay. You guys, can you see? This is like the bottom and the top. The bottom and the top. And the tops, and I'm going to be trying this out and giving you a review of what it feels like. Oh, the material. Oh my god. It has, let's just wear this and see how it looks like on me. This is the yellow piece. I love it. It's beautiful. Let me just move closer to the camera so that you can actually see the actual color without any filters. The top is strapless, as you can see, and then the bottoms are just normal bikini bottoms, and they're also yellow and they're also high-waisted. And at the back, this is what it looks like. At the back is just normal. It covers you well and proper. And the color looks gorgeous on me. I like it. And yeah, tell me what you guys think down in the comment section. If you like this piece or you don't, would you get it or not? So this is the yellow one. Let's jump on to the next one. Up next, guys, we have this color. It's a red color. So basically it's like the previous yellow one, but this one is in red, and we are also going to try this out. And oh my god, I already love the quality of these bikinis. Guys, make sure you go and check this page out on Instagram. They have good quality bikinis, and we're going to try it out. This is the red one. Sorry, I know I said it's orange, but it's actually red. I removed it and actually saw that it's red, and ooh, honey, the red is popping. Red is popping. It's popping. What's popping? The red looks good on me. I like it. It is cute. I've never worn a red bikini before, or a red swimsuit, so this is the first one, and thank you very much. All the characteristics on this one are just the same like the previous yellow one, so yeah. Ooh, up next, the third bikini, guys. It's in white and it's a small size too, as you can see. Let's just open and try this. It's plain and simple. Let's put this on and see how it looks. And this is the white one. This is the white one, you guys. This is the white one. Love, love, love it. This is the white one, guys. Same as the orange one, and no, same as the red one and the yellow one, and this is the white one. Everything is the same, nothing much. No difference, just the color difference, and this is it. Every swimsuit comes with this. This is good. So guys, before I continue with this video, I would like you guys to already like this video, share, and leave a comment so far on the first three that I have shown you. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Tell me which one you like, and let's jump on to the other one. This is a black one, and let's just open and see. So this black one, the material is not like this, the first three bikinis. It's not like the first three. This is just it's more of a silky material, and it's nice, and it's just the same good quality, but the difference is the other one feels more of like a clothing, and this one is more of like the normal swimsuit material that we normally wear or swim with. So this is in black. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to put it on and show you guys how it looks like. This is the fourth one, and on this fourth one, like I told you, the material is silky. It's more of a normal swimsuit material compared to the first three, which are cotton, which are actually good, and that's what I like for my swimsuits. Black don't crack, honey. Black don't crack. Yes, so this is a black one. Very nice. Oh my god. Hey, I've never felt this cute in a black bikini. And the same black material, it also comes in green, and it is a small size, and I really love it. Let's put it on and see. So guys, up next we have it in green, the same black one. It's the same as the black one, but this one is in green. I do not own any pair of green swimsuit or bikini or monokini or any swimming costume in green. I do not have, and this I like. And guys, I just wanted to tell you that as I am doing this video, I want you guys to be very confident in your body. Like, be confident. It doesn't matter what your body looks like. I mean, every body is a summer body. So get your bikinis, go out there in the sun and flaunt it. You are gorgeous the way you are. You don't need to fix anything. You are just amazing as you are. Finally guys, we have again in an orange color. Nice. Oh my god, this is nice, you guys. Nice. And that's the orange one. Let's put it on and see how it looks like on. Nice. Ooh, I showed up. Last but not least, we have this orange one, and it's amazing. It is cute, same as the black and green one. And this is in orange, not red. This is in orange, and it is cute. Naipenda, it is beautiful. This is the front, you guys. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment which was your favorite bikini and which one would you purchase, and what color was your favorite color on this bikini haul. And again, like this video, leave a comment down in the comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe already if you haven't, because more good things are coming your way and I'll be here to do them. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.